In this video, we showed how to replace riser 2 on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 1 and 3 removed from the system, to remove riser 2, first move the latch into the unlocked position, then lift the riser straight up and out of the system. To install riser 2, align and lower into the system and press it down, and then move the latch into the lock position. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.